Okay, so examples here of using percentage multipliers. So what we need to remember about percentage multipliers is it's turning the percent into a decimal. So we need to remember how to turn percentages into decimals. Well, to do a percentage into a decimal, we divide by 100. The whole is 100%. If I want to get it back into decimals, then I divide by the 100. So we've got, for a decrease of 10% on the value of an item, what percentage multiplier would you use? Well, it's got that word decrease. So the original amount was 100%. That was your original. And we have to subtract 10%. So we're left with 90%. So as a multiplier, we have to turn, what's the word multiplier? We have to turn the percentage into a decimal. So we divide by 100, so 0.9. So the multiplier will be 0.9. And all that means is that if I have to decrease, say, 50 quid by 10%, then I would end up doing 50 times 0.9. Percentage multiplier means we find a decimal that we multiply by to give us the same answer as if we'd done the percentage of it. The next part of the question says, an investment of 3,000, they offered 4% compound interest. What was the investment worth after 3 years? Well, we've got to remember that a 4% investment, it's interest, so it's extra. So 4% increase, well, the original amount was 100%. We're adding on the 4%, so 104%, and as a multiplier, 1.04. So we end up multiplying by 1.04 for each year. We're doing it for 3 years, so we invested £3,000. We're going to times by the multiplier to get the value at the end of year 1, but then we're just going to keep repeating that to year 2 and year 3. So it's like doing times 1.04 times 1.04 for the 3 years. Value at the end of the first year, increase it for the following year, increase it for the following year. So what we've got to realise is that this kind of question has a quick way of doing it. Power. The power is the number of years. So on our calculators, we would then get 3,000 times 1.04 and our power key, the y with the x on it, and we do it to the power of 3 equals. So we'll get an answer of £3,374 and 59p. Remember, it's money, so the 2 doesn't change the 9, not 5 or more, so not going up to the next one, so 59p. So that's a reminder of percentage multipliers and how we can use them to quickly calculate new values. Interest increase, so we have more than what we started with, so we're going above 100%, so the multiplier will be 1 point something. In this case it's 1.04, and this one was about decrease, so we're going less than the 100% original amount, so what was the percentage left, divide by 100 gives you the multiplier. So quick reminder, percentage multipliers guys, practice, practice, you know it works.